Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's start. Bring an inch of water to a simmer and place a heat-proof bowl on top. Make sure that the bowl fits properly without touching the water in the saucepan. Pour in the butter and the chocolate chunks. We want to melt the chocolate completely so that it looks like a glossy chocolate sauce. Take it off the heat and take the bowl off the saucepan. In another mixing bowl, we'll crack an egg, add in the brown sugar and white sugar. Using an electric hand mixer, whisk them for exactly 5 minutes. Now this is gonna feel like a long time, so maybe you can take this time to think of the beach or beautiful waterfall or the never-ending farm from Tomorrowland. The timer went off. Our mixture is super glossy and light. Now add in the chocolate and butter mixture. Using a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl. In a small bowl, mix the dry ingredients, that is, the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. You'll have this glossy cookie dough. Use an ice cream scoop to form the cookies. Make sure you leave plenty of space between each cookie as these spread a lot. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool to room temperature. They'll sink a bit in the center, but that's what gives you the super fudgy cookies.